Yep. Oh, there's a camera. Alright, that's what they say. Alright, let's lay this down real gentle like. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Perfect. This one will go right there. Alright. Stay there. Alright, let's get this bolt in. There we go. Let's see if we can get this one. There we go. Is that done yet? There we go. Yeah, that's good. Good and tight. All right. Now, let's remove this rear brake line right here and remove these right here off of there and this, because we're not using that. So we'll be working up here top side for a little bit. Let's see if that'll fit. It wants to. Yep, there it goes. Alright, so let's see if we can loosen that up. I'm gonna have to put something on that. Let's go with this one here. There we go. All right, let's try this. Woo, yeah. I don't know if it got it or not. I think it did. Oh yeah, we got it. I'm going to take this off of there. This is the rear. For the rear. Okay. And you're not a 10? Man, I love having 5 different boat sizes. That's how I want to play. Alright, there we go. Nine sixteenths, maybe. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, 9/16 will work. There we go. This is still good combination valve here. It's just the aftermarket one. I'm not going to use it. Yeah, let's see what we got. Well, I need these lines. Got this little paper here from M-Line Tube. I don't know if you can see it or not. But it comes with all the brake lines. Alright, so I need a master cylinder one. But you already know that's got to be a master cylinder one. Alright. Where's the other master cylinder? It's one of these. Alright, so our C notch is going down here, or down like that. Let's see if I can just get that started just a little bit. Okay. And then it'll go in here. Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, maybe like that. There we go. So that goes in there like that. Now this one, I'm going to have to put these bolts back in. Frickin' Robert's garage baiting me to get out here and do this. What's up with that one, Robert? Alright, now that we're in here, that looks good. That looks good. Goodness gracious. Oh, have mercy. Oh, let's do this again, people. That's what I wanted to do today. It's all in a day's work, though. Really. Alright, come on now. Can't be that difficult. Okay, it's just like that. Just tighten this bad boy down. Give me a real 7/16 instead of this fake one. Put it at the other one. Oh, there it is. There's that. Now, these can't be touching the steering wheel shaft. Perfect. There. Well, hopefully those will be fine. Alright, let's tighten these down. So that's tight enough. Get this 9/16 tight here. Alright, that should be tight enough there and there. Then when we put fluid in them, we'll see if they leak. That's a later project. Alright, where'd my switch go? Right here. I'm guessing it goes on. Or is it broken? Oh yeah, it is broken. Alright, I'll have to get me another one of those pigtails so I can use this. Okay. Alright, front, left front, right front, rear brakes. Rear brakes. Where's your line at? Right here. Alright. Alright, we'll worry about the rear later. I want to get the front hooked up. That's going to require going underneath. But this is a good start. This is a good start. We got the master cylinder hooked up to the proportioning valve. We need a new pigtail for the brake light warning system or whatever. Alright. Yeah. Alright. That's it for today, folks. That's all she wrote.